Welcome to Redzone Minis! Numbered 4797. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. Team on top of the end will go to the person spot 1. Team on the bottom will go to the person in spot number 32. 5 boxes of it. Here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top team is San Diego Chargers. Bottom team is Dallas Cowboys. That's 5 times. Let's do this. Get rid of the randomizer. Here we go. Yes, there's a Fanatics break right now with like 13 spots left. It's a 1-box helmet break. Here we go, guys. Good luck to everybody. There's a 2 1-box breaks coming up after this one, but here we go. Herbie is an option, yes. Oh, very nice start for the Bengals. It's Joe Burrow. Oh, that's a good way to start, isn't it? Spot 26, Chris Hutchings. Congratulations. A beautiful with the, I guess you'd call it tiger print. Well, of course you call it tiger print because the Bengal is a type of tiger. And I know that because I know about animals and I don't think of the crab as a crustacean. Congratulations to Chris Hutchings. Oh, stop. Everyone stop saying crab. Here we go. Up next. It is, for the Carolina weed smokers. No, it's his Buckeyes. What does that even mean? It's Chase Young. Chase Young, that'll go the way of the Washington football team. Washington goes to spot 20, Braden Green. Congratulations, Braden. I have no idea. That literally makes no sense to me. It's like one of the guys at Fanatics has just been like, ha ha. I know what I'll put on that one. McGee, where the hell are you? Next one. Where am I putting these? I've taken 3 out so far, and I've put each one in a different spot. Up next. Wow. For the Browns, it is Baker Mayfield. I could not tell you that was a Browns. I kind of thought Bears. I have no idea. Browns. Spot 29. Braden Green, congratulations. Wow, this Braden doing very well for what it's worth. But he goes hard at these. Congrats, Braden. Yeah, 6th throwback Browns. I didn't recognize it at first. Tell you what, we are doing very well. Daniel Jones for the Giants. For New York. Concrete jungle at Dream Tomato. There's nothing you can't do. Giants in spot 4 to Rick Mahoney. Rick Mahoney. Rick. Congratulations, Rick. Final one. If you make it here, you make it anywhere. Alrighty, here we go. We'll just put those up there just for the time being. If you make it here, make it anywhere. Good luck. For the Buffalo Bills, come get your Diggs. Stephon Diggs for Buffalo. And the Bills are in spot 22 to Brandon Barnum. Very nice. Stephon Diggs for Brandon Barnum. And the Bills. And that is that.